All right, a lot of talk all week about the storm that arrives tonight. Until it gets here, we have a decent day.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Just kind of cloudy in a couple of spots. It looks like the cameras. It's already a little windy in this spot.
Has to be expected.
People are already over this storm and want to talk about the next one. It's just like it's like our attention span. Kids these days, just wild. We're going to get through this one first. We're going to talk about it, then we will discuss a couple of other potentials. After that, as Brian mentioned, not a bad day out there. Quite a bit of sun still in down East Maine. The rest of us are partly cloudy, and clouds have thickened up across southern Maine. You don't have to go too far to find our storm. Here it is right down here, just moving into upstate New York and western parts of Massachusetts. And it kind of is what it's going to be. It's just going to move east in this fashion, and there's not going to be a whole lot of change compared to what you see right now on the radar. So the tricky part of this storm was really just about boundary layer temperatures along the coastline. So 38 in Portland right now, we could get to 40. So that does play in to our forecast going forward. I don't think this is a huge deal, but I think it's a nuanced thing where at the onset, which is probably between 6 and 8 o'clock tonight, we're going to have a little trouble accumulating. At 35, 36 degrees, it's just, even if it's snowing, it's big fat flakes, you're really going to melt those pretty quickly and you're not going to see much accumulation. We're going to have to wait a few hours to cool down enough along the coastline that we start to get into some more solid accumulation by, say, after 10, certainly. Probably more so after 11, and then through the rest of the night, that's when a lot of our snow comes down, and it's heaviest through the middle of the night into the early morning hours tomorrow. And it's still snowing during the morning commute. I want to be clear on that. And I have been saying that I think this is poorly timed for that. I think there'll be a lot of, almost a disproportionate number of cancellations compared to the total amount of snow over southern Maine, because the timing is really not good here. And it's still snowing through the mid-morning into the mid-coast and into down east as well. It looks like there's maybe just a quick second wave in places like Portland through the middle of the day, and then we clear this thing out in the afternoon, and it is on its way after that. So snowfall map has really not changed here. We're looking for a widespread 3 to 6 inches of snow. We still have a bullseye of 5 to 8 from Sebago, Sanford down into Concord, New Hampshire, back into Freiburg as well. And this 3 to 6 is predicated on that boundary layer temperature issue coming into play. If somehow it's accumulating at, say, 8 or 9 o'clock tonight, then this 3 to 6 might be in trouble. We might be closer to 5 to 8, but I think we'll be right on that. So this is one storm coming through tonight, but we got a few more to talk about. One coming in on Sunday night. Not much of a gap. This is a bigger storm. It's also more wound up, and it's a little bit farther west with its track. So at this time, looks like it could be a mix for the coastline and a real clobber job for the mountains, which they're happy about. And then we've got another one coming in. So that's Monday. We've got another one coming in on Wednesday afternoon, just really no break here. And that's another snow-rain mix along the coast with snow farther inland. So we potentially here, I don't think it is hyperbole to say that the mountains could end up with 3 feet of snow or more over the next week. So, so there's that. So that starts Sunday night, and then the next one comes in Wednesday night. And I'm in a delicate position here. I've done this once, where I've had to show 2 snowfall maps in one show. I don't love doing it, but potentially later today we might have to do that so that we've got enough notice on
when they come that quickly, right? We still have to talk about the next ones.
Because I can't really wait until tomorrow afternoon, I don't think. So here we go. Here we go.
And the temperature doesn't plummet after this, by the way.
No, it's not.
It's
not frigid. We're getting snow, but it's not all that cold.
All right. We will see a lot of you in the next few days. Keith, thanks so much.